Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are reacting to Hot Japan with JO1.
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 J01. I don't know.
No, I think it's O1.
It's O. It's
O.
I think it's O.
So
Yeah.
it's
Zero would
JO1. Let's go.
Yeah, zero would be less fat. It's Joe.
Oh.
So like rock, it seems like a little rock. Okay.
I like their outfits. I wonder if
Yeah,
their
the outfits are interesting.
I wonder if it's like a cultural outfit.
Yeah, maybe you guys let us know. Is it like a traditional outfit? Yeah, and what is this Venus X UNKAI? What is that?
With fireworks. Are you gonna
Venus?
show?
Well, Venus, is a razor brand, so that's the only thing I'm thinking of Venus. UNKAI, I don't know what that is. Oh. Maybe Venus is the name of the song, because he said you're so bright as Venus.
But when you collab with a company or have a sponsorship, you kind of incorporate their name into it. I think it more has to do with their clothing. Maybe their clothing has something to do with this brand, because they're all wearing the same thing.
Okay, never. I have to go back. I caught something, but I'm not seeing it again. So I thought it would come again, but you see on the left. I think that's Venus. It's like a planet. Well, could be moon, sun, but I think that's like their little take on Venus as a planet. It's like a love song, and he's just Venus is like the girl. That's what I'm taking it as.
I'm ready for the fireworks too.
Okay, so we gotta switch up to rap. Interesting. Interesting switch up. Usually, like they do from K-pop to rap. This is like from rock to rap. That's very interesting. I don't know if we've seen. I mean, we might have, but it's not as common.
So everyone has their role. I like that, we see how everyone has their uniqueness and they shine.
Do you think this is like an official music video for this song?
I'm not too sure. I don't know. I don't think so. I think this is just a performance. I think they have their own separate official music video for this.
Yeah, because this was...
Especially since we don't know what's Venus by. It seems like more of a collab.
This is the fourth day of Hot Japan spectacle video. It's okay, UNKAI, see clouds, and Japanese fireworks. Okay, JO performs Venus. So Venus is the name of the song. Along with UNKAI and traditional... Oh, UNKAI is Sea of Clouds. So UNKAI is these clouds that we see. So it's Venus is the song and UNKAI is the cloud, so I guess they're performing the song in the clouds.
Ah, that's That's very nice.
Okay,
I like
okay.
that.
With fireworks, so I'm hoping for fireworks.
Me too.
There you
Oh
go.
my
We're getting the
gosh,
fireworks.
let's
Let's
go.
go.
Oh
Really cool.
wow.
That's really cool performance. It's really cool.
Wow.
I
Imagine being there.
Yeah, that's
and
what I
you
was gonna
hearing
say.
Poof, 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 poof.
That's what I was gonna say. Imagine if you were live there to watch. This is really cool.
Oh,
Yeah, it's really
gosh.
cool. Yeah, that was really cool. Yeah, that was really
That
cool.
was very nice.
The fireworks is really cool. Yeah.
So guys, oh, that was perfect timing.
Whoosh. Nice. Oh, you know what? I wish they did with the fireworks. They spelled out either like JO1 or
Yeah.
Venus. I think
Yeah.
that would have been a nice little extra touch.
So guys, let us know what you think of this performance of JO1. Guys, let me know in the comments how we properly say JO1 or JO1. Let me know in the comments down below. But I want to know what you guys think of this performance. Let me know. And also send in your recommendations to react to more from this group. As always, if you made it this far to the video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family. As always, share as much kindness as possible. Bye guys.